Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. Here's a quick video of me trying to figure out what the annoying creaking noise was in my Ibis Ripmo AF. It's a 2020, size large. I couldn't figure it out. I thought it was my pedals. I obviously greased those first and checked my seat clamp, cleaned that out. And the creaking was still there, not under pedaling, but under any diagonal or lateral movement
Creaking so bad.
going across my frame.
This drain hole right here.
So of course I thought it was the
clogged
bottom bracket.
by my frame protector,
the bike's
so I had to
barely
make a
a year
hole
old.
for it.
And then upon taking the bottom bracket
there was
out,
water in there.
I was clogging this drain hole in there.
Well, would you look at that?
With my mastic tape, with my homemade frame protector. So I melted that out, as you can see right there. I melted it out with a hot Allen wrench. I thought that was the creaking for sure. I was stoked. It was pretty dirty in there and dry. Anyways, I took it apart, went and got the correct tool, that Park tool 69.2, and that didn't fix it. So here I am. I took out the seat post. It's a bike yoke dropper seat post. The entire shaft of the seat post was completely covered in like a fine greasy sand, but that wasn't it either. It actually ended up being the linkage bushings were bone dry, so I added some lube and let it set overnight, and bam, no more creaking. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hit that like button and subscribe, that'd be rad. And I'll see you next time. Cheers. You.